Hello everyone, in this video I am going to tell you that how you can change your YouTube channel name within 2 minutes. So first of all, what you need to do is just visit youtube.com and then sign in your YouTube channel. Again, then you have to click on right corner side where you will see the channel icon name. Simply click on view your channel. Here you will see customize channel button. Simply click on customize channel. You will be directed to another web page. Here you will be able to change your YouTube channel name. But before changing the YouTube channel name, you should remember that you can change your name twice in 14 days. Here you can write your channel name. After tapping your new YouTube channel name, simply click on publish button. Then you have to click on next button. You have to verify yourself. Your YouTube channel name has been changed. When you click on YouTube channel, you will see that your channel name has been changed. For more such kind of video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the like button.